Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're going to change your iCloud plan now, so open Settings and tap your name. This immediately shows your Apple ID and iCloud usage. Check how much storage you actually use and which apps back up to iCloud, knowing that prevents overspending. Make sure your payment method is valid or that family sharing is configured if you plan to share storage. Once these prerequisites are confirmed, you'll be ready to select a new plan and avoid interruptions to backups and photo syncing. Now tap iCloud, then Manage Storage or iCloud Plus to see plan options and extras like Private Relay or Hide My Email. This is where you pick the right tier. Compare 50 GB, 200 GB, and 2 TB against your current and projected usage. Choose Family Sharing if others should access the storage. Once you select a tier, confirm the payment method and note the billing date, because Apple bills immediately or proratably. Make sure to tap Upgrade or Change Plan to finalize the purchase. Finish by verifying your new plan appears under iCloud settings and then trigger an immediate backup or wait for the scheduled one to confirm everything syncs. If the charge fails, update your billing info, check card limits, or confirm your Apple ID region matches the card. That usually fixes payment rejections. If the storage size doesn't update, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in or restart the device. If issues persist, contact Apple support for account-level resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.